This is known as shop with a telescopic staff. Okay, this instrument is folded in three parts. You can see that this staff is folded into three parts. Here one upper part you can see here. Okay, this is one middle part. So to observe the reading at more lower elevation, we can extend this staff up to 4 meter. Okay, you can see at the top 4 meter is written. Here you can see, here it is written 1.5 meter, means lower part of this staff is of 1.5 meter and remaining two parts is of 1.25 meter, 1.25 meter each. So its complete length of this staff is 4 meter. Here you can see here lines are marked. Here it is starting from 0, from the ground, and here one by one, here it is one black line. You can see here one white line, again one white line, again one black line, again white line, again one black line. This white portion you can consider it as a white line. Okay, so here each line is of 5 mm, that is 0.005 meter. Okay, so here it starts from 0. Here two lines are gone in here. Here you can see it is a 10 mm, then here 15 mm, 20 mm, again 25 mm, again here 30 mm, 35 mm, 40 mm. Okay, 40 mm is the top of black line. Then again top of white line and bottom of black line is 45 mm, and here it is a 50 mm. Okay, like that we can read this stuff. Again from 50 mm, again this is top 60 mm, then again at the top 70 mm, again top 80 mm, bottom, this means top of white line, this is 85 mm, here 90 mm, and here 100 mm. 100 mm means 10 centimeter, is 0.1 meter. Okay, it is written like that. Then 0.1 meter, then again 10 centimeter, 0.2 meter, again 10 centimeter, 0.3 meter, again 10 centimeter, 0.4 meter, 0.5, 0.6 meter, 0.7 meter, 0.8 meter, 0.9, and here it is a 1 meter. Like that, this is staff marked up to the 4 meter. Now we have to read this staff by seeing reading from the telescope, where the central crosshair, horizontal crosshair of this diaphragm crosses this staff. Suppose it crosses at the top of this line, you can see here. Okay, here is a 0.8 meter up to top of this line, then again 0.810, 820, and at the top it become 830. Okay, if it bisects here, then what will be the reading? 0. Up to it 83, and again this is a 5 mm means 0.835 mm. If it is above this, then it will be 0.840 mm. Again if it is here, then it will be 0.845 mm. Got it? Suppose here reading is here after 1.3, bottom of this line, that is 5 mm, then it will become 1.305. If top of this, then 10 mm after 1.3 meter, then 1.310.
Here, just now we have seen the construction of the leveling staff. It is arranged in a 3 layers, and it can be extended up to 4 meter. Bottommost portion is of 1.5 meter layer, and top two portion are 1.25 meter each. It can be extended by pulling one from another, and it remains vertical with the help of brass spring catcher. As we extend one staff, when it comes to its full length, automatically that brass spring catcher get out and it get fitted to the staff below. So here we have seen some readings how to read the staff. As you told you before, that each black line and white line we can consider as a length 5 mm. Okay, so 5 mm means how many meter? 1 meter is equal to 1000 mm. So 5 mm is equal to 5 divided by 1000. That is, it will become 0.005 meter. Okay, so what is the least count of this leveling staff? it is in meter 0.005 and in mm 5 mm. Okay, so whenever we read the staff, we always find the total number as before decimal one place and after decimal three places. For example, if this is for if this black line top line is represent 0.8 meter, just crosshair of the horizontal crosshair of the telescope bisect this star at this reading. So how to read this reading? Now here you can read it is a 0.8 meter. How much? It is 0.8 meter. 0.8 meter, we can write it like that. Now here one line means again 5 mm, then 10 mm, 15 mm, 20 mm and 25 mm. Okay, so what is this reading? It is after 0.8, it is a 25 mm, and 25 mm means 0.025 meter. So what is this reading? How can we can write that? You can simply just 25 mm. Okay. So it is 0.025. Okay. So what is our complete reading? It is 0.825 meter. Okay. Suppose our crosshair bisect this stuff at some other reading. Suppose here. Okay. Then it is 0.8. Then again it is 0.85. 0. Because 50 mm after that. Okay, 81, 82, 0.810, 0.820, 0.830, 0.840, 0.850. Okay, after that 0.1 white line, one black line means 10 mm, 0.860 here up to 0.860, then again 0.870 means after 0.8 70 mm. So 70 mm, how can we write it as? Then what is our reading? 0.870. Our staff reading is here 1.2 meter. 1.2. Okay, so up to this portion, our reading is 1.2 meter. Then, if our crosshairs at the telescope bisect this staff at this reading, suppose this reading, then what is the reading? Here it is 1.2 meter, so we can write it as 1.200. Okay, then after that 5 mm, then 10 mm, then one line 15 mm. Okay, one white line 5 mm, one black line that is 10 mm, again one white line that is 15 mm. So here we can write it as a 15 mm. 15 mm means 0.015 meter. So what is our final reading? 1.215 meter. Got it? Okay. Here we can observe one thing. Here always for the staff having list count 5 mm, your reading will be always in terms of last digit will be 5 or 0. Okay. It never be 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be always last digit will be 5 or 0. Suppose our staff our crosshair bisect this reading here. So what will be the reading? Up to here 1.2 meter. Okay. After that 5 mm means 1.2 and after that 5 mm. 0.005 meter. So what is the reading? 1.205. Crosshair staff here. So what will be the reading? Here up to this it is 1.2. Okay. Then again top of black line means 10 centimeter, 20 centimeter, 30, 40, 50. It is up to 1.250, 50 mm. After that one again 5 mm means 50 mm plus 5, that is 55 mm. So our reading is 0.055 after 1.2. So what is it? Is a 55 mm. So we can write it as a 55 mm. So what is our final reading? 1.1.1.25. Okay, like that we can read the stuff. That each black line or each small line is of 5 mm. So keep always in the mind when now you don't have the practice to read the stuff. So initially always keep one thing in the mind. One line means 5 mm 0.005. Okay, so always start writing from this last place. If one line if one line after this big reading, then it will be 5. Two line, then it will come 10. Okay, your this reading up to 1.2 to 1.3, 1.2 and 1.3. Okay, so this 100 mm, whatever reading you will get, it is between. Suppose here it is 1.210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, and then 1.3. Up if your crosshair line horizontal line is lying between 1.2 and 1.3, then your reading will never cross 1.3. It will be always some decimal places after 1.2. Always start from the bottom portion and see how many lines are there, black and white lines, and calculate it in meter and just practice it to writing it down from the last place. If single one line means 5 mm, so write here just 0.005. If two lines, they write, then it is 0. Then what will be the reading? That is 1.2, 1.210. Okay, like that we can read the leveling stuff.